Europe is undergoing unprecedented change. The COVID-19 pandemic has presented severe health, economic and social challenges, and the twin transitions of climate change and digitalization call for wide-scale societal adaptation and raise complex questions at many levels as to how we will work and live in the future, on an individual level, but also on a political level. In this challenging environment, the Dublin-based EU agency Eurofound provides evidence-based research and comparable data for all 27 member states to assist in the development of better social employment and work-related policies.
Eurofound is a research center. What we offer is timely and reliable information which is used for decision-making.
We provide knowledge, research, analysis, data for policymakers to be able to take decisions and shape policies to improve living and working conditions.
Eurofound is the unique organization providing such type of information for you.
We try to engage into bigger societal issues, but we also respond to ad hoc requests. Main areas of research of Eurofound as working conditions and sustainable work. It's industrial relations, structural employment shifts, living conditions, it's quality of life. And what's really important at the moment is to understand the implications of the big transitions the society is undergoing in terms of the digital transition and the climate change transitions.
We try to track what is ongoing in terms of policy development and initiatives that are underway to keep our eyes and ears on what is actually important to policymakers at particular points in time.
So we are what we call a tripartite agency, and that implies that our main stakeholders are in our management board and is composed of employees' organizations, trade unions and government representatives from all of the 27 EU member states. We also have representatives of the European Commission, and they help us to gauge our research program towards their needs.
Based on the stakeholders' guidelines, Eurofound adapted a new programme for 2021 to 2024 towards recovery and resilience.
COVID, especially in the economic and social terms, hit differently the various groups of the society.
We have different dividing lines where we see deepening inequalities with the crisis.
We can provide you with data, in-depth data about the impact of COVID-19, information that we have structured to give kind of a dashboard of the situation in the member states.
We have 27 member states. Some member states can do things very, very well.
Trying to find ways we can learn from each other, ways of demonstrating examples from one country to another.
Evidence that we can provide to policymakers will eventually lead to better policies, and better policies will lead to a better work and better life for all citizens in the EU.
Ultimately, what we do here in Loughnstown, in Dublin, at the edge of the European Union, should be having a positive impact on the lives and the work of all citizens across the 27 member states.